We just finished a glass of wine here at the piazza. We are heading over to the Pantheon. So yeah, just follow us. Wow. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. How can you not be happy here? Look at this. Wherever your eyes are turning, it's so beautiful. It's just amazing. Let's head over here. It's pretty. Wow. So now we are at the Pantheon. So let's go and check it. I want to go into the columns with the Pantheon. Yes. I just want a picture. Can we do pictures? Oh. But we do not have tickets. But I really want to go inside. This is so beautiful. Wow. What can you say? It's so grand. Everything here in Italy, in Rome, it's majestic, and you feel so little when you see those, the architecture, the history which is here. So I'm glad to bring you along to show you. If you haven't been here, you really have to come. So now we are walking towards Fontana di Trevi. So this fountain we really have to see. It is famous. It's a historical monument. Let's go.
Hello.
Buongiorno.
Buonasera.
Buonasera. Gelato. Oof. So we are now in a fantastic underground shopping mall. You have this arch on top with a glass ceiling. It's a secret spot. You have to come here. You can see we are headed towards the Fontana di Trevi. Hold on to your pockets. It's really a busy area. So everyone is trying to get the perfect picture. So will we, so tag along. So we can just head down. So here we are at Fontana di Trevi. It is packed with people.
Non si può scendere più.
Devo attraversare tutto. Fontana di Trevi. So this is the most beautiful fountain that you can ever imagine. So come on, let's head over and have a look. Look at this. Just let me show you. So we've been here at the fountain. Now we are heading towards the Spanish Steps. So please tag along. We are going. So we are closing up to the Spanish Steps. And here you see the Valentino, and then down here you see the big columns down there with the spheres on top. That is where the Spanish step starts. And then we have the open piazza in front of it. I do. So the Spanish Steps, they are very famous. It's a lover's place, and there is a lot of guys who have asked their girlfriend to marry her here. Look at this amazing place. So let's set up.
You got me shaking, yeah, I feel the fever coming on. Boy, you know you're all I want. Keep saying that I hate it, but it's kind of
Very rich man. Left me here was the Villa Medici. So to cross the road up here, so this hill is so magnifique. There is no words explaining how pretty and beautiful this is.
Yeah.
Oh my god, listen, there is like beautiful music up here. This is beautiful. It's breathtaking. It's the most prettiest thing I ever seen. Look at Italy, look at Rome, look at the Domino. It's so romantic and everything is so breathtaking. Wherever you can see. And then we have the live music back here. They're playing with this view.